Welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. Today I've got a bunch of leftovers that I want to use up, and I'm going to do a ring pour, and I'm going to play with the fork through the ring pour to wreck it. So let's have a look. Okay, so because I've got so many different colors, but they're all kind of the same blend, and I'm not going to be able to fill up. I'm not going to be able to do multiple layers of each color. I'm just going to start from this row back here and use it all in one hit. So we're going to get lots of different layers of different colors. So this is the irid white. This one's brilliant purple. I'm going to speed this up because there's going to be lots of scraping. Okay. Feels like a little while since I've done a ring pour. Don't know why. Oops, I left a stripe through there. That's not good. All right, shall we wreck it first or spread it? Well, I think I want to go through here. Okay. Quite like this bit, so I'm not going to wreck that too much. Let's do some stretching. Oh my god, this piece is looking gorgeous. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Wow. I might just have to tip off this edge a little bit. Wow. Wish this was on a bigger piece. I don't want to do anything to that. Oh, there you go. See what you can do with some leftovers. I love it. It'd be nice to have a bit more variation in the colours, but it's just got some gorgeous pieces happening. I mean, I quite like, there's just so many bits. I think it's my favourite ring pour so far, and it's just breaking up that dimension of perfect rings, I think, with the fork. Even though as I was using the fork, the paint sort of grouped up together, like through here and here, but it's still, yeah, not as much as using a different kind of tool, I would say. So yeah, that was heaps of fun. It'd been nice to get a bit more of the mauve through. We've got some metallics, I'd say, might come through some of this. The metallic sand and I think it was metallic fuchsia. So there might be a little bit of gloss. So we'll have a look at it when it's dry. I'll bring you back then. Okay, here it is dry. Now I'll just pick it up a bit, get a little bit of shine through there. I think it's mostly through this bit and up through here that you can see a little bit of shine. But yeah, I really like the way this one turned out. I'm not sure which the best orientation is for this one. I think this is the way I saw it, but I think I actually prefer it this way. It's like a flower opening up or something. I don't know. I've got some little cells coming through here. But yeah, this is although the color is fairly purple, I guess. It's quite, it turned out quite nice. So yeah, that's it for that one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.